Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question, and I wish the honourable Sachidanand a quick recovery. The dairy industry in Fiji is encountering challenges like low milk production, poor quality feed, lack of modern technology resulting in low productivity, and a shortage of fresh milk supply. Moreover, there is a demographic change with numerous youth showing little interest in pursuing careers in agriculture, which includes dairy farming. In addition, the dairy sector has been hit hard by the bovine brucellosis and tuberculosis diseases, drastically reducing the numbers of dairy cows in Fiji. Mr. Speaker, sir, the annual milk requirement in Fiji is around 77 million litres, whereas local farmers manage to produce approximately 6 million litres per year. The issue of low productivity are primarily due to the absence of modern technology and best practices, the continued use of hand milking and reliance on traditional methods also contribute to low milk yield per cow. Mr. Speaker, despite the challenges at hand, there are opportunities to improve the sector and cater for domestic needs and decrease reliance on imports. This can be achieved through the creation of public-private partnerships through investments of large producers that will bring in cutting-edge, environmentally friendly technologies and sustainable methods for dairy production. Fiji's dairy sector has the potential to become a front-runner in the Pacific region, boosting exports to neighboring islands and lessening the need for imports through this initiative. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Israeli large-scale production technology project proposal is currently under discussion with the Ministry of Finance, including the Israeli government. However, there needs to be consensus on the interest rates proposed before the commercial agreement can be signed. The proposal is to establish an intensive dairy production facility at Navuso Agriculture Technical Institute. Mr. Speaker, sir, for the information of the House, the selection of the Navuso Agriculture Technical Institute was done in collaboration with the Israelis early this year. Mr. Speaker, sir, the dairy cow integration project in Fiji aims to enhance the local dairy industry through the creation of a sustainable 200 dairy cow farm equipped with advanced technology from Holland, Germany, and Israel. The project includes a milking parlor, a 300-acre irrigated field for feed production, and a modern milk processing plant. The farm will implement an intensive scheme using an Israeli automated modular system for management, providing real-time data on health, fertility, milk quality, and productivity. The goal is to establish a self-sustainable enterprise that produces premium dairy products for the local and international markets. Learning from past experiences with the Fiji Dairy Limited Company, we are of the hope to make improvements to the setup of the Israeli dairy facility. The Ministry looks forward to your support and anticipates that this dairy facility will be established soon. Thank you, and we now available, Mr. Speaker.